Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and at your home safely. Today our topic is area and perimeter of a square, and that is on your textbook page number 211. As you all know that the area actually the inner side of a figure and the perimeter is the total length of your boundary. Total length of the boundary of any figure. It's a rectangular, square, triangular, whatever the figure is. The inner side is the area and the boundary is the perimeter. Okay, now we will learn about the area and perimeter of a square. And as you know, the all sides of a square always same. All sides of a square are same. That means if it is of 3 meter, that is also of 3 meter, and same with both of these sides. Got it? Okay, now there are some formulas to find out the area and perimeter of a specific figure. To find out the area of a perimeter of a square, the area of a square, these are the formulas for the square. Area of square is equals to length into length. As you know that all sides of the square are equal in length, that's why we will multiply length into length to find out the area of the square. That means if you multiply 3 meter by 3 meter, you will get your answer. 3 into 3, you will get your answer. 3 into 3 is 9, and that is the area. That's why we will write down the units as unit square. That is your meter square. Okay, now the area of perimeter of square. The perimeter is actually the boundary of the square. If you add all of these sides, you will get your perimeter of the square. And there are 4 sides, and each side has the same length. That's why you will multiply the 4 with one side, and 4 into 3 meter is equals to 12 meter. If you add 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, this will also is equals to 12 meter. And if you multiply these 3 by 4, because these are 4 sides, if you will multiply 3 by 4, you will also get your perimeter of the square, that is 12 meter. Got it? Okay, now these are the simplest form to find out the area and to find out the perimeter of the square. But if they have some other values, if they given the perimeter, as you know, the area is equals to length into length. That means if you have the length, you will multiply the length into length and you will get the answer of area. What about if they given the area, if they given the value of area, how can you find out your length? Okay, as you know, length into length, that will become the length square. That means area is equals to length square. Let's suppose if the square is given to you and its area is 16 meters square. That means area equals to 16 meters square, and it is basically the square of length. Okay, now you have to think about it, the which value will multiply with itself to become it 16. Okay, now you have to learn about the table of squares. If you multiply 1 by 1, it will become 1 square and equals to 1. If you multiply 2 by 2, it is equals to 2 square, and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. If you multiply 3 into 3, it will equals to 3 square, and it is equals to 9, because 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9. If you multiply 4 into 4, 4 by 4 is equals to 4 square, and it is 16. 5 into 5 equals to 5 square and 25. 6 into 6 equals to 6 square and 36. 7 into 7 is equals to 7 square and 49. 8 into 8 equals to 8 square and 64. You are learning the table of square, that is the table of squares. 9 into 9 is basically 9 square and equals to 81. And so on. 10 into 10 is equals to 10 square and 100. Okay, now where the 16 came? 1, 4, 9, 16. So 16 is basically the square of 4. That means if you multiply 4 by 4, it will become 16. Okay, now can I write that 16 is equals to 4 into 4? And it is equals to length into length. That means this length is equals to 4 meter. Don't skip your unit as well. So length is equals to 4 meter. Got it? Okay. Now, what if they have given the perimeter? They have given the area in this example, that is 16 meters square, and area is basically the length, square of length, and we have to know about this table of square, and we have to find our number, that which number is the square of this number. 16 is the square of 4, so we will write 4 into 4 and 4 and 4. These are the lengths of the square. That's why we got our answer that length is equals to 4 meter. Okay, the unit is meter square. That's why I wrote here meter. What about if the perimeter is given? Let's suppose it's a square and they have given a perimeter of 72 centimeter. Now I have changed the unit, that is 70 centimeter. Okay, as you all know that the perimeter of the square is equals to 4 into length. That is the formula of your perimeter. And if they have given the perimeter and you have to find out this length, what you will do, you will take this 4 up to this side. Okay, now remember this rule that you have already learned in the class, that if a number is adding on left hand side and you are taking this number to the right hand side, it will become the reciprocal in the sign. Then plus equals to minus or minus equals to plus. Multiply will become addition, division, or division will become multiplication. Okay, subtraction becomes addition, addition becomes subtraction. These are the reciprocals. Multiplication becomes the division and division becomes the multiplication. Division or division will become multiplication. Okay, subtraction becomes addition, addition becomes subtraction. These are the reciprocals. Multiplication becomes the division and division becomes the multiplication. Okay, now in this case 4 is multiplying with L and you are taking this 4 up to this side. That's why you will dividing this 4 by this perimeter. And what about this length? It will come as it is. It will come as it is. Perimeter is 72 centimeter, that is already given. Now put the value of perimeter here, divided by 4, you will get your length. Now divided 72 and 4. Now 7 and 4. 7 is greater than 4. Okay, divided 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8, but 8 is the bigger value. We cannot solve this. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2 comes down. It became 32. Okay, 4 8s are 32. Remainder is 0. That means our answer is 18. 18 is the length of this square. Now what about the unit? It's already given in your question, that is centimeter. You will write your units as it is, centimeter. Okay, the length is equals to 18 centimeter. In this video you have learned that if they have given the length, you can find out the area by multiplying length by length. If they have given the length, you can find out the perimeter by multiplying it by 4, by multiplying your length by 4. And if they have given the area, what you will do, you will look at this table of square, find out your number and make the square of two numbers, of these two same numbers. Then you will get your length. And what about if they have given the perimeter? You will divide your perimeter by 4 because these are 4 sides. You will divide it by 4, the perimeter. Perimeter is basically the total length of the sides, na? And you will divide it by 4 to find out the length of each side. 72 divided by 4 is equals to 18 in this case. Okay, now I am giving you a word problem. I will give you now the example of the word problem that is on your textbook page number 211 and your question number 3. Question number 3. Okay, what they have said, Mr. Shah fenced a field in the shape of square. Mr. Shah fenced a field in the shape of square. That means his field is the shape of square and he fenced it. He fenced it, that means he covered his boundary. He covered its boundary like this. And you have learned that boundary is the basically perimeter of the square. Okay. That means they are talking about the perimeter. If the area of this field is 64 meters square. Now what they have given, the area of this field is 64 meters square. That means you will write here area is equals to 64 meters square. How long is the fence? How long is the fence? That means they have asked about the perimeter. They have given the area that is equals to 64 meters square and asking about the perimeter. That we have to know. Okay. Area is the 64 meters square and you have learned that the table of square. How can you find the area from the table of square? The area is 64 meters square. You have to write your formulas first because it will get 1 mark. Write it down. Formula: area of square equals to length into length. So area of square, you will put this value, this 64 meters square, at the place of this area of square. It has given. Okay, now what about these lengths? Now you have to look at this table of square. Where the 64 came? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64. The area is 64 meters square and 64 is the square of 8. That means if you multiply 8 by 8, it will become 64. So the length is 8 meters. Now again I am repeating this, don't forget your unit. So length is equals to 8 meters. Now What they have asked? They have asked the perimeter. You also learn about the formula of perimeter O square, that is equals to 4 into length. Now we have find out the length. Just put it in the formula. Length 8 and 8 fours are 32. What will be the unit? Meter. That means the perimeter of the square is 32 meter. So we can write our final statement as this, that the length of the fence is 32 meter. Got it? I hope you have no query. If you have any query, you can ask anytime. Okay. Now I am giving you an assignment. That is your textbook page number 211. You can solve this textbook page number 211. Question number 1, A and B part. Question number 2, A and B part, and this is the question number 3 that I have solved already. And your textbook page number 4B, page number 103, 104, 105 and 106. Okay. The textbook page number 103 is, they have given the area. You have to look at the table of square. 81 is the square of 9 into 9. 81 is the square of 9. So you will write length is equals to 9, as 81 is the square of 9. 9 into 9, so the length is equals to 9. And the perimeter is, you will same with as your word problem, 4 into length, that is 32. And in this case you will multiply 4 by 9. 4 9s are 36. Okay. And page number 105, if the perimeter is given, that is 80, that means you have to divide your perimeter by 4. 80 divided by 4 will become 20. Okay, now you have to find out the area, that is the length, and to find out the area of the square, you will multiply this length into this length. 20 into 20 is equals to 400 centimeter square. Unit is already given. Okay, and your word problems of page number 106. Question number 3. A piece of wire is used to form a square. If the length of the wire is 200 centimeter, find the length of one side of square and area of the square. So basically they have given the they have asking about the perimeter. You have to find out the length. They have given the perimeter. You have to find out the length like this. They have given the perimeter, you have to find out the length and the area. And in this question number 4, a square piece of paper has an area of 36 centimeter square. Now they have given the area. Find the length of one side of the piece of paper and perimeter of the paper. You have to find out the length and the perimeter as your this example. Got it? Okay, if you have any query, you can ask anytime. And hope you all are safe. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Bye bye. Take